Struggling with your wig? Here are 5 life-changing wig hacks you need to know. Hello, beautiful people. Today we are diving deep into mastering the art of wearing a wig. I know it feels like a battle, doesn't it? That slipping, that shine, that is it obvious feeling? Well, it doesn't have to be that way. We're going to unlock simple, effective secrets for a joyful wig experience. Think of this as your personal guide to those aha moments. We've all been there, searching for that perfect fit. And today we're going to find it together. These tips are pathways to feeling more like yourself. I want you to feel that inner glow from knowing you look and feel your best. So get comfortable, maybe grab a cup of tea. We'll explore 5 fundamental hacks to elevate your wig game. These insights will make your life easier. It's about stepping out with confidence, knowing your hair looks seamless. Are you ready to feel that confidence? Let's begin. Now let's talk about the very first step, the unsung hero of wig wearing, the wig cap. I know some of you might be thinking, oh, a wig cap, is it really that important? And I'm here to tell you, with absolute conviction, yes it is. It's the foundation upon which your entire look is built. Think of it like priming a canvas before you paint a masterpiece. Without that smooth, prepared surface, the final result just won't have that same professional, polished finish. A wig cap does more than just hide your natural hair. It creates the perfect, even base for your wig to sit upon. It's all about creating that seamless transition. Your natural hair, no matter how short or long, needs to be neatly contained. A wig cap gently and effectively tucks everything away, preventing any stray hairs from peeking out and giving the game away. This also means less bulk under your wig, which is crucial for achieving that natural, undetectable look we all crave. It helps the wig to sit closer to your scalp, mimicking the way your natural hair would grow. Alright, now that we've laid the perfect foundation with our wig cap, let's talk about keeping everything in place all day long. That's where our trusty little friends, bobby pins, come into play. These simple, unassuming hair tools are game changers for wig security. They are your secret weapon for a worry-free day. Imagine living your life, laughing, moving, and your wig stays perfectly put. The key is strategic placement. Just a few placed correctly can make all the difference. Think about the areas where a wig might be most prone to movement: temples, behind the ears, and at the nape. Chapter 3. Banishing Shine for Ultimate Realism, the Magic of Dry Shampoo. Let's be honest, sometimes a brand new synthetic wig, or even some human hair wigs, can have a little too much shine, can't they? It's that telltale sheen that can sometimes scream wig instead of whispering gorgeous natural hair. But don't you worry, because I have a wonderfully simple solution for you: dry shampoo. Yes, that very same product you might use on your own hair between washes is an absolute miracle worker for reducing unnatural shine on your wigs and making them look incredibly realistic. Think about it. Natural hair, unless it's freshly washed and loaded with shine products, usually has a more matte, textured appearance. Dry shampoo helps to mimic that natural finish. Chapter 4. Crafting the Perfect Hairline, the Art of Trimming the Lace. Now, for those of you who love LaceFront wigs, and I know many of you do for that incredibly natural-looking hairline, this next hack is absolutely crucial. We're talking about trimming the lace. When you first receive your LaceFront wig, it usually comes with an excess strip of lace along the front. This isn't meant to be worn as is. It's there for you to customize, to create a hairline that blends seamlessly with your own skin. This step, my friends, is where the magic of a truly undetectable wig really happens. I understand that the thought of taking scissors to your beautiful new wig can be a little daunting. What if I cut too much? What if I ruin it? These are valid concerns, but I'm here to guide you through it, to give you the confidence to do it right. The goal is to trim the lace as close to the hairline of the wig as possible, without cutting into the actual hair strands. You want to follow the natural contours of the wig's hairline, mimicking how your own hair would grow. Chapter 5. Unleash your inner stylist, using heat tools safely. Wigs offer incredible versatility. You can change your color, length, and style instantly. Styling with heat tools is fun, but ensure your wig is heat-friendly first. Using heat on non-heat-friendly wigs can cause irreversible damage. Human hair wigs allow more freedom, but always use heat protectant spray. For synthetic wigs, ensure they are heat-resistant. And there you have it. 5 truly life-changing wig hacks that will make your wig-wearing journey smoother and more enjoyable. From the importance of a wig cap to the security of bobby pins, the magic of dry shampoo, and a well-trimmed lace, these tools help you own your wig. Experiment and find what works best for you. Feel comfortable, secure, and fabulous. Let us know which hack you're excited to try. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Until next time, go out there and be fabulous.